In today's video, I'm going to be installing side skirts I got for my car from the SS model. So that's going to be fun. Right now, this is what the car looks like without the trim, or the molding piece right there. And I like it. It looks really clean without it. I want side skirts, so I'm going to install side skirts. First thing I need to do is I'm cleaning these tabs right here, because my rocker panel, as you can see, it doesn't have the holes for the clips in the side of the rocker panel like the SS does. So instead of the clips, I'm just going to put 3M tape on the back of these clips and see if that holds it. If it doesn't, I'll have to drill, but I don't want to drill, so I'm doing this. So here we go. Look. Clean. They're all clean. I already cleaned them, so you don't have to watch me. So great. What's not clean is, hold on, hold horse. What's not clean is the actual side that needs to be clean. So, I'll tell you the plan. The plan for this side is to just use this glass cleaner. That's what I used on the tabs. And then, I'm just going to put a layer of wax. A layer of wax on it. There we go, wax. So basically all I'm gonna do is just spray it down with the glass cleaner. Let it soak a little bit. And then wipe it off. Maybe scrub, who knows. And then wax it. Okay, I take that back. I'm gonna clean it with the glass cleaner, hit it with Meguiar's polishing compound, and then I'm gonna hit it with the wax. Okay, now it's time for the compound. Just to try and get, I don't know, some of the scratches out, because there's a lot of scratches, but you know, it's fine. You know, my car's not perfect anyway, so it gives it character, doesn't it? And now we're gonna hit it with wax. I have the car jacked up, side skirts are clean, they're over there on the ground. Sorry the fan's noisy. Whatever. So I need to clean the bottom side of this with the cleaner I was using, and then we can put the side skirts on. That's what it looks like with the side skirt on. And it didn't take too long, but it took, I don't know, an hour. So, yeah, it's great. I love it. Fantastic.